We're walking in Natural Bridge, October 7th, I think, 2012. Lovisa got tired. She's on Daddy's back. But it's just beautiful here. You hear the water running? There goes Rodney in all his strength and glory. Could catch up with the boys. Of course, here comes Torben running down the path.
Guys!
Hey, Lovisa. What you doing?
Up here.
What are you doing up there?
We were at
Huh. Well, I don't know what that is since Daddy turned away. There's our rabble rousers up there. We never get to walk a path slowly.
You ready to walk again? And Kirsten is our trailblazer.
Kirsten's the trailblazer in the front.
One
Yeah.
The boys could be the trailblazer if they weren't running. You two performing for me? What are you performing?
This picture.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Cheese.
1, 2, 3, me's. All right, gotcha.
Not hard to get down.
I am officially the family photographer. So if you've never seen me on photo, know I did exist. I'm just always behind the camera.
I hit right here. No, you're a fairy. That's all you have to heal. Well, unless I go to the shop. I'm going to the shop. No, you
Hey guys, have you been having a good time on the vacation?
Yeah, love it.
What part's been your best?
I bet everything.
What do you mean everything?
Like the fall festival, this, and playing, of course.
Okay.
I hate the trip. I felt sick.
I had medicine for you if you feel sick.
No, you didn't.
Oh yes, I did.
Oh yeah, you just killed the super. I thought you'd choke on one, but you didn't. Where are we gonna go for dinner?
It's always about the food.
Hey,
We just ate.
yeah, the full-on buffet was good. I want to kill Spoonful.
Stay out of the puddle and don't talk like that.
We're playing a little game.